Red shark on sandy floor. F is for Fusilier, in schools they soar. G is for Galapagos, sharks sleek and fast. H is for Hydrozone, in waters vast.
I is for isopod, deep and small. J is for juvenile fish, learning to crawl. K is for knifefish, slim and neat. L is for lanternfish, glowing and sweet. M is for mollusk, in its shell so tight. N is for nematode, a tiny sight. O is for ocean sunfish, big and round. P is for plankton, floating all around.
Q is for quillworm, wiggling free. R is for remora, riding with glee. S is for salt, like jelly in streams. T is for tunicate, strange as dreams.
U is for upside down jellyfish, dancing slow. V is for velvet worm, with gentle glow. W is for wrasse, so colorful and bold. X is for Zipactinus, fierce and old.